Now I am going to teach you how to make bread pizza. 2 slices of bread. All other ingredients I showed you. This is onion cut into small pieces, capsicum and paneer. Now what I am going to do, I'll add 1 drop of butter and add this capsicum in the kadai and the piyaj also, that is the onion. Salt, very little salt. Now just keep frying it. Fry it. As it is frying, you can make the tawa ready, and in that I am going to add this paneer. For that I will take a little bit of oil, just pour it on the tawa, just very little oil, about half a teaspoon or less than that also, and add the paneer over there. I am going to keep spreading the paneer pieces on the tawa till it becomes light brown. Meanwhile, this tomato and capsicum is cooking here with salt. It's very easy. If you have olives, you can add it. If you have mushroom also, you can add it. Here, because I am not adding most of them, whatever I have at home, with that I am going to make pizza, bread pizza, which will be exactly like pizza that we buy from outside. On this paneer, as it is getting roasted, just it has to become slightly, I am adding 1 bit of salt. This sabji is getting ready, and also paneer. Once the paneer is ready, I am going to remove it in a plate. Light brown it should become. Don't overcook it. Even if it is not brown, just let it get ready. Keep it aside. Take this 2 slices of bread, put it in the same tawa. Now butter or ghee, again very little, how much ever you want. No need to make it very rich, because already we are going to add other things which will make it very rich. So this is getting ready. Capsicum, and if it is not cooking, we can add a little water to it, so that it will cook fast. Nothing I have added in it, only onion and capsicum with a little pinch of salt. Okay. Put it in sim so that it gets ready. Meanwhile, we can shift this into low fire and the bread into the bigger one. Okay. If you want it to cook very fast, then you have to cover it with a lid. Otherwise, you can just leave it. Now, the plate and the bread is getting toasted. One side will toast very nicely, one side has to be soft. So I am adding a little butter on that, so that it will have a very nice rich taste. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you can toast this just as it is. So the bread is getting toasted in the tawa itself, because that way it is easy than putting it in the toaster, and when you do it in this, it will be different taste. Can you see it? See. Almost done. Don't toast it over, then biting will be very difficult. It should be slightly soft. Now, let me check if this is ready. Now, how do you check it? Just take a piece of capsicum and press it and see. Remove a capsicum, put it in a plate and see. No, it is not yet cooked, so it has to cook some more. Because if it doesn't cook, then that raw taste will come, which many children may not like it. We eat raw capsicum also, but here, because it is mainly for the children who have been deprived of pizza for the past 2-3 months, it's mainly for them. Okay, meanwhile, I am going to remove this bread. Then, veg mayo I am using. Usually we can use tandoori mayo also, whatever you want, whatever you have at home. So there are so many different kinds of mayo, whatever you want you can take. I am taking veg mayo, that is only available in my house now. And generously I am spreading. See? Generous. One more bread. See, I have toasted it. One side is toasted nicely, one side is toasted slightly. Okay? So I have done this. Sabji is getting ready. It's ready. Now, what I am going to do is, I am going to transfer this sabji into on this now bread which has got mayo in that. Half on this, half on that. Ready? It's done. Spread it. If you have olives, you can add it. Anything else, whatever is there in the pizza where you buy, all those items are nowadays available ready-made in any shop. You can just go on adding. If you want peas also, green peas also you can add. Tomatoes also you can add. Now do you see this? In this, the paneer that I had just toasted and kept, I am going to arrange it on the bread so that you get a pizza eating feeling when you eat. This is ready. I am going to add peri peri in it. See? As much as you want. Some like it more, some like it less. After that, I am going to add pizza seasoning. Can you see that? Generously. Once you add this, if you have olives, whatever you have, you can add. On top of that, one slice of sheet of Amul cheese you can add. So, bread pizza ready. Have masala chai and bread pizza. See you tomorrow.